Welcome to Guide Up. Today I'm going to guide you on how to tag people and companies in LinkedIn post. For that, firstly make sure you already have the application on your device. Now to post anything, you can see the post option at the bottom. You can tap over there. Now here you need to enter the things that you want to talk about. After you are done entering or typing your post, you can simply tap on @ button and enter the name of the person or the company that you want to tag. They will be automatically showing you the option accordingly. But now you have to tag people and companies according to your choice. After you are done tagging people and companies, at the top right you can see the option post. Tap over there. Now you can see that your post has been uploaded. Now in your post, if you tap on the tagged people or company, it will lead you to the official page of the people or the company that you have tagged. And this is how simply you can tag people and companies in LinkedIn post. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.